This is the impact cam on the elevator at the San Lorenzo Park Plaza. Go to 2. Let's see how it does. Let's see how it does. What's the start? Start was smooth. Whoa. I thought it might fall over. Oops. I thought the camera might fall over. This is a classic. Let's see how it does going down. This is a very small one. Let's see how it does. Oh look, it had the old style level. You can see the old style level in there. I'm surprised the camera didn't fall. Not the worst. It probably would fall in the Dover.